Hi, and welcome to Vlogtober, week 4, day 21. Woohoo! 21. Again, where did October go? Anyway, currently in the middle of editing episode 56 of Yarn With Me. I had to pause that editing so I can shoot this, and then I can edit this, upload, and get it out tonight, even though it's after 8 p.m. right now, and I'm going to finish the Yarn With Me episode and then edit this one and upload it, and then upload the Yarn With Me and then be done with it for the night. Tomorrow I'm going to shoot another vlog, of course, and Frog It Friday. So we need to continue frogging that flippin' blanket. Can't wait till that one's done, and then we'll have a giant caking session. Woohoo! Yeah, I don't know if I want to do one long caking video or I want to break it up. I think I want to do one long video. Because, why not? Anyway, so this past weekend, I forgot to talk about it in yesterday's vlog, but I bought a queen-size bed frame from Walmart. It was the only bed frame... My hair is flying everywhere. Ugh, whatever, it's almost bedtime anyway. It was the only one left there that did not need a box spring. Bought the last dang one. I had my son set it up for me because I thought it was going to be one of those you had to screw together or whatnot. You flip the feet open, set it down, flip the other one open, set it down, make sure the legs are secure, they snapped into place, and then these little clamps went in 2 spots, and poof, done. And then we threw the mattress on top of it. It was a lot taller than I thought it was going to be. The bed frame itself is 14 inches, and I'm not sure what size the the mattress is. I don't know if it's 6 inches or 8 inches or something in between. But instead of trying to peel myself up off the mattress that's on the floor, I'm having to hop down from the bed. So, which I guess is better than trying to let me stand up. Nope, wait, sit back down. All right, try this again. It's be a lot easier for me to get out of bed. Plus, there's a lot of space under there for storage. So I need to think about underbed storage for stuff. Let's see. What else? Oh, I already talked about that last night. Temperature blanket is still caught up, so woohoo. And today when I went to the Dollar Tree to get 6 more of those small baskets that I showed in an episode of something a couple weeks ago, I went in. I was like, I thought they were in the front, in the corner, in the back, the first aisle on the left, whatever. I thought they were over there, and I was looking at the containers that they had, and I was like, oh no, there wasn't any. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to walk through the store and see if I can find them, if they're somewhere else. So I found them. There were 5 of the small baskets left, and I wanted 6. So I'm like, well, shoot. And I kind of glanced over to my right. There was another basket, kind of like those, except it was a lot taller. So I grabbed that. I devoided the Dollar Tree of their baskets with the handles. Yeah, I did. Oh, also, when I went and bought that bed frame, I went and I got the black yarn for the temperature blanket. I also bought, which I forgot to talk about, I was spying with my little eye, some peaches and cream cotton yarn in red. So I was like, well, that's a color I don't have, so I grabbed the 2 cones that were left. So, yay! I have red now in my stash. And hopefully that'll be enough for a while. I only just seem to be buying cotton yarn. I do need acrylic eventually, but whatever. That's what I do. That's what I do. I don't remember what else. Yeah, I did decide to use this on the crochet temperature blanket. Since all the blocks are done, I'm not terribly worried about what this looks like when it's seamed, because this kind of has a shine to it. It's older red heart. You really can't see You can't see it, but trust me, it's a little shiny. The new stuff is a little duller. It's more matte-like. So I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. It's a blanket for myself. What do I care? I'm still thinking just like wall hanging or something. I don't know. I don't know if I would use it as a regular blanket or not. I guess I'll figure that out once it's done. First week or so of January. Get that all done and finished with its seaming together and its border, and just chuck it and call it a day. Same with the knit one. I got the September strip attached to the August strip, so it's now in a basket under this table that is mostly cleared off. The only thing that's sitting on that table is my stanwood and my sewing box that has like needles and thread and stuff in it. I just need to find a place for that. I still need to figure out, because I have sewing machines, I need to figure out where I'm going to put those. Because there's no way to do any of that in here and have fabric and the machine stored in this area. I don't think, not unless I get that area fixed, taken care of. I still need to install that filter, which I haven't done yet. I just lost daylight for it, and I didn't do it today because I was just like, I was hot, I was tired, I was not feeling well. I feel a heck of a lot better now, so I should be feeling a lot better tomorrow because I need to stop staying up late. I didn't go to bed last night till like 11:30. That's why the vlog was up late last night, because I was like, it was processing, and I forgot about it. So I went to close everything, check everything to close it down. There it was. I was like, oh man, I gotta hit publish. I gotta do all this and hit publish. I was like, oh, what did I do? So yeah, it was a late night last night. Slept to my alarm this morning, so I had to rush to get ready for work and get out the door. I have my alarm set, yes, but most of the time I wake up a half an hour or so before it goes off. Somewhere between 15 and 30 minutes before it goes off, I wake up. Not this morning. Nope, I slept to it. And I was looking at my phone at 4:30, and I'm like going, I'm going to sleep to my alarm, aren't I? And then I went back to sleep, and then, lo and behold, alarm goes off, and I was like, oh, I guess I was right. Anyway, not much else is going on. I don't think there's anything else to talk about. Nope. Oh, that's right. I was going to put this project in the last empty basket that's over there and get it off my piano. Forgot about that. So I'm going to do that, and I shall see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.